Hi! Today we are conquering 5 kilometers. Magpi-PR kami ngayon sa Olympus Hera, leg 2. PR kasi kasama si Mama. So we will be having our slowest time. So we'll be walking all throughout and somehow itatry pa rin namin mag-run. Mama, how are you?
Hi, good morning. I'm good.
See you.
Kailangan mo ng energy, breakfast in the morning, especially if you are running a long distance, that works. Or maybe
it says overnight oats.
Yes, exactly. That's what and very healthy as well.
Sabi mo kanina hindi ka marunong sumayaw. Oh, di ba? Ay, oh. Yes! Come on, flex those muscles.
Kita nyo naman, nag-aerobics na si Mama.
What's well with you guys? Come on.
Wala na may iwang lakas yan for 5K.
Yeah.
Okay, ayaw na ni Mama mag-aerobics. Baka hindi na daw siya ano sa'yo, Mama?
Tama na.
Baka hindi na daw siya makalakad ng 5K.
Hours.
Wala na daw siyang powers. Doon na kami sa starting line.
Mas malakas naman. Good morning, everyone! That's it. That's more like
There
it.
you go.
So, 4 minutes before you're going to start, plenty of time for us to explain a few things.
That's right.
Leanne, especially this one on your big screen.
Yep, that's the 5K.
Hey, runners, get ready! In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Pace 13 minutes 29 seconds.
13 minutes, 29 seconds. 1 kilometer.
Workout paused. 14 seconds.
Okay. 2 kilometers. Okay, tapos na. Tama ko din dyan,
Dito?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ito yung maganda pagka may camera.
Kuya Mike, picture naman siya. Dali masik na picture. Tubak mo ba si Ate Chris?
Oo.
Tubak mo din. 18K? Magandaan mo. Galing kuha yan si Kuya Mike.
It's okay, Mama.
Lapit na tayo.
Tatlo kayo.
Sige go.
Lakas.
Thank you,
Okay,
Kuya
thank
Mike.
you.
Sige po.
Galing ko na lang.
Sana maganda ka.
Galing ko
Papayatin mo ko ha.
Yun ba?
Kilometer 3. Pace 14 minutes 1 second.
3 kilometers na, Mama. Yung pinisingan natin, iniwan na tayo. Ba't ka nang iiwan, Mama? Go, Mama.
Pace 14 minutes 12 seconds.
Last kilometer.
Last 1 kilometer.
4 kilometers. Hindi na lang, Mama. Last 100 meters.
Yeah.
Woo! Last 100.
Mas mabilis ka po.
Go, mama. Woo!
Abot ma, 110.
Go, mama.
30 seconds to go.
Go, mama. Go. Go, ma, 110. 110. Yes. Nice, mama. Nice. Okay, sa atin siya.
Rinig ko yun. Hingal naman.
Ano ba?
Ma, deserve mo yung tubig.
Siguro na-anticipate na rin nila punta baka makapasok.
May kota na lang po yung sa gitna kasi kung natatanggal ko.
So we are done with our 5K walk, run pag may camera.
I did!
Ano masasabi mo, mama? How's the experience?
Kayang-kaya.
Kayang-kaya.
Thank God.
We were able
Thank
to
you,
finish.
Chiki and Jello.
Welcome ma.
I love you guys.
We were able to finish at 1 hour and 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Compared dun sa
Practice.
1 hour and 11 minutes namin practice. So at least mas mabilis, diba?
You know.
Okay? So,
Next time, 10K daw.
oh, see that? 10K. Okay. Ikaw.
Bye.
Bye! Paano yung takbo mo kanina, ma? Paano yung takbo mo kanina? Paano? Tapos pag wala ng camera, tigil.